In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear brake hose on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using an 11mm wrench, we're going to break the nut free for the brake line. Have a collection bucket under you to catch the fluid that'll come out. Unthread the nut, pull the line up. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to grab onto the locking tab and pull it out from under the brake line. Just like that. Keep this tab. Pull the brake line out of the bracket. Using a 12mm socket, remove the bolt out of the back of the caliper. Grab the bolt, make sure all of the old crush washers are off of it. Install one of the new crush washers onto the bolt. Grab the new brake line, install the bolt with the one washer. Put one more washer on the back side, and then install it into the caliper using this foot as your alignment. Snug the bolt down. We'll torque it after. Pull the brake line up to the bracket. Install the brake line into the bracket. Install the lock clip. Install the hard line into the soft line. Get the fitting started. Get these started by hand. You do not want to strip these out. Snug the nut down. Torque the brake line to brake hose nut to 11 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can. Torque the union bolt to 19 foot-pounds. Remove the bleeder cap. Using a 10mm wrench, open the bleeder screw. Wait for a steady stream of fluid with no bubbles in it to come out, and then we'll close it back down. Leave the bleeder cap open until you see no bubbles coming out of the fluid. Once we see that, you can close it, make it nice and snug. Using parts cleaner and a clean rag, we're going to spray the area and wipe away any of the brake fluid. This will make it a lot easier to check for a leak if it's present. Make sure you clean the hard line to the soft line connection as well. Put the cap on the bleeder screw. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.